When we bought our first truck, we were excited. Less than 30 days later, the turbo failed before we made any real money. Then came the warranty fight. Most shops wouldn't work with the warranty company, and after weeks of back and forth, the claim was denied anyway. That experience taught us the value of J-Pro scans, good warranties, and strong diesel repair relationships. That's why we help carriers today, helping you build smarter, move stronger, and protecting your business. If you're ready to do things the right way, send us a message or visit us at manifestgl.com.